In this Getting Started video, I'm going to guide you through using Animate Preview for the first time. I'll show you how to generate a layout preview from a schematic circuit, inspect the layout preview in more detail, update the preview when you make changes to your schematic, view the area estimation report, and finally, how to save a black box layout. Before starting, please ensure that you have installed Animate Preview following the instructions that were provided in the download email. Start by changing into the demo data directory that is inside the Animate Preview installation directory. Then run your schematic editor and load the schematic for the design called TestLib, op-amp only. Once your schematic editor is open, you should see the Animate Preview Assistant in the lower left corner of the application window. If you can't see the Animate Preview Assistant, then check that you have correctly added the animatepreview.ile file to your CDS init file, then restart your schematic editor. When you first load a schematic, the Animate Preview Assistant will display the message Generating Preview and a pause button. Animate Preview is now working in the background to create the layout preview. Once the layout preview is ready, it will be displayed in the Assistant. The Assistant window shows a thumbnail view of the preview for the current circuit. Selecting instances in the schematic will cross-probe to the Animate Preview Assistant. The corresponding instances in the preview will highlight to show their location in the layout. Here you can see that I have selected the differential pair instances M19 and M20. You can open a larger version of the layout preview by clicking on the preview image or by right-clicking over the preview and selecting Enlarge Preview from the context menu. When you do this, a new window opens that contains a larger image of the layout. The colours in the image indicate different features of the layout preview. Red and green instances show symmetry in the placement, with yellow instances in the centre. Other circuit instances are blue and grey instances are dummy devices. The blue lines are guard rings. Selecting instances in the schematic cross-probes with the enlarged preview window, just as it does with the Animate Preview Assistant. When you want to update the preview, you only need to check and save the schematic. Animate Preview automatically detects the changes and updates the layout preview each time you run Check and Save. The image displayed in the Animate Preview Assistant window will turn grey to show that it is being updated. If the enlarged preview window is open, that will also turn grey. You can continue to edit your schematic as normal, but note that cross-probing to Animate Preview will not work while the update is running. Once the update is completed, the new layout preview will be displayed in the Assistant as before and in the enlarged preview window if it is open. To display the area estimate report for the design, right-click in the Animate Preview Assistant and select Area Report from the context menu. The area report for the current layout preview will be displayed in a new window. The report shows the area, width, height and aspect ratio of the layout preview. To save a black box view of the preview to open access, right-click in the Animate Preview Assistant and select Save Black Box Layout from the context menu. The black box will be saved as a layout view in Open Access and can be opened in your usual layout editor. Thank you for watching. For more help, you can visit our support site at help.pulsic.com, email us using the address help@pulsic.com, or contact us using the live chat on our website. Please follow us on social media to get regular updates about Pulsic and Animate Preview.